Our experts researched the best torpedo levels and purchased 5 top models for rigorous side-by-side testing. It's our goal to provide a thorough explanation of which level is best for you and why. Our lineup has an array of tools ideal for different uses and budgets for your home workshop or professional toolbox, and highlights the best products on the market and matches them to specific users and budgets. There are many levels on the market to choose from, but our objective testing can help you find the right level for your needs. All products were rated based on materials, durability, accuracy, extra features, and functionality for various users. With such a saturated market, finding the right tool for the job can seem impossible. There are numerous options for cheap best torpedo level, each with unique features, advantages, and costs. I conducted a ton of research, read a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the top affordable best torpedo level from trustworthy manufacturers to help you make an informed choice. Following extensive investigation, I discovered that these products are quite beneficial for persons like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Links in the description box for each products mentioned. Number 1. Excellent value for a strong performer Empire Level EM81.9G. The Empire Level EM81.9G was the favorite among budget-priced levels. The fluid in the vial had a slow viscosity that returned to a single bubble immediately and didn't break into foamy suds after impacts. The plastic siding proved sturdy under durability testing and showed no cracks or breaks compared to other models in its class. The magnet was strong enough to hold the level inverted, but it did fall with the minimal effort of tapping 2 fingers against the lateral edge. We found the darker tinted fluid challenging to read in low light working conditions. The small viewing window along the top edge was also difficult to read in low light and shaded corners. All that said, if you just need a level but want an aluminum frame, the Empire will do the job. Number 2. Best level for the home workbench Craftsman Torpedo 9-inch. Our favorite feature of the Craftsman Torpedo 9-inch level was the magnified horizontal vial that is easy to read. It was the largest vial of the products tested, and the notch that it sits in allows for top-down, 270-degree viewing, which can be handy in certain situations. The neon color of the fluid is easy to read and bright, even in near-dark conditions. The magnet held strong among the top group in testing, with a performance just below that of the substantially more expensive competitors when jostled inverted on HVAC ducting. However, during our durability test, we witnessed the rubber ends loosen and work out from the metal casing. Number 3. Top alternative for the home workbench Swanson 9-inch magnetic. Although there are less expensive options for those on a budget, our testers still think the Swanson 9-inch magnetic is a great choice for the home handy person. The sturdy aluminum frame can take a beating, and the acrylic vials are not prone to shattering. We would have preferred the groove and magnetic edge to be the same, but we can't expect the same perks as the ideal at this price point. Swanson has made a great no-gimmicks product that lives up to its reputation. This level sports a grooved edge and has the strongest magnets of any product in its price range. The view window on top is a little small, but the white casing around the vial assists with visibility. Number 4. Great for small projects at home Amazon Basics Magnetic Torpedo Level. Need a light and accurate level in the kitchen drawer for those house projects, such as picture hanging? The Amazon Basics Magnetic Torpedo Level will do the trick. The imperial and metric ruler along the top edge provides an extra benefit for small projects and adjustments. Our testers complained that the 0 mark is recessed 1 inch back from the edge of the level. Need to measure a photo from a corner? Better grab a tape measure. The Amazon Basics lives up to its name as inexpensive, easy to read, and basic. For those who seldom need a level and don't abuse it, the Amazon Basics Level will be an inexpensive and accurate purchase. Its performance in durability testing underwhelmed and disappointed our testers. Number 5. Alternative for a tight budget Winnsty Spirit Level 3 Bubble. The smallest level in our test pool, the Winnsty Spirit Level 3 Bubble, gets points for durability. The simple light plastic design withstood our durability test with no breaks or blemishes. It does not fare so well under tension or compression, so maybe don't pack it below your socket wrench and channel locks. The bubbles were quick to rejoin when separated and were accurate. Notably, the black plastic and diminutive size make it easy to misplace or lose. We lost it several times in testing, only to realize it was within arm's reach in a shadow or behind another level. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products. as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.